Hey, Christian here with Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. We just wrapped up this French door install here in Escondido, and I have to show you what we did. The homeowner spent all this time and money upgrading their patio, beautiful cover, the whole setup, and then the bugs moved in. Every time they opened these doors to enjoy that space, it was a battle. So we installed a set of our retractable screen doors. 2 panels that meet right in the middle, smooth as can be. When they're closed, the mesh is so clear you honestly forget it's there, and when they don't need them, they disappear completely. Nothing sitting on the house, nothing blocking the view, just the doors and that beautiful patio. These are custom built right here in our shop with over 20 years of design behind them. The handles are solid metal, the retraction is smooth and controlled every time, and they're professionally installed by our own team. Give us a call at 858-544-5259. Visit us online at apolloscreen.com, San Diego, retractable screen doors, or come see them in person at our Escondido showroom, 2121 Enterprise St.